Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can display category and tag based posts inside your blog post in WordPress. I need to install a plugin. I am going to add new plugin page. Search here with Kadence. This is the plugin we need to install and activate. I already installed and activated this plugin. So I am going to all post section. I am going to edit this exist post. As example, I want to add category or tag based relevant blog post here. This place. I have to click on this plus icon, add blog. After clicking plus icon, I have to search with post. This blog is coming from Kadence Block, which one we already installed. Click on this blog. You see, post is displaying here. Now you can customize this blog as per your expectation. If I click here, in the right side, this blog section is selected. First settings is general settings. I am showing you one by one. First option is select post type. If I click on this right side arrow icon, there has two options. If you wish, you can select the post or pages. I am selecting post. Next option is ordered by. Order by newest to oldest is the default option. If I click on this arrow icon, I can make it oldest to newest or modified ascending, modified descending, A to Z, Z to A, menu order or random. Which one you like, you can select that one. Blog post will display here as per your input. If I come to the next option, number of item. I mean how many blog posts you want to display here. Right now it's 6. So it's displaying 6 blog posts here. If you wish, you can make it 4. Then 4 blog posts will display here. Offset starting post. If you select newest to oldest, but you don't want to display the latest 2 posts, then you can select 2 here. Then latest 2 posts will not display here. Now come to the important point. Filter by category or filter by tag. Which category post should display in this blog post? For example, if this blog post is related to the food, I should select food here. Then my blog readers will get food related blog post here. And if readers think those blog post is helpful for them, they might click those blog posts and it will help our blog to get ranking on Google. After that, you can filter by tag also. Next option is include or exclude. You can select which one you need. And next option is select the post taxonomy, show unique, allow sticky post. If you need those options, you can enable or you can disable it. Next option is layout settings. If I click on this right side arrow icon, right now it's 3-column layout. If you wish, you can make it 4-column layout. Then all 4 posts will display in single layout. Even if you wish, you can make it 2-column layout. Then 2 posts will be top and 2 posts will be down. As I have selected, total number of item is 4. They will divided perfectly by this instruction. Tablet column, if you need to customize it, you can customize. Right now this style is boxed style. If you wish, you can make it unboxed, then it will be like this. And if you select boxed, it will be like this. Okay, next option is style. You can customize the title size from here. By default, title size displaying as a H2. If you wish, you can make it H3, H4, H5, H6. And this design is 100% responsive. It will perfectly work on any kind of device. Next option is font size. It's talking about this headline font size. If you want to make it smaller or bigger, you can customize it from here. If I click on medium, you see font size is getting smaller. If I select Excel, font size is getting bigger. Even if you wish, you can change the font size by pixel. If you click here, you will get the pixel option here. Or if you want, you can make it EM, REM or VW. But pixel is most usable. I am using pixel here and I can customize it by using pixel size like 30 pixel or 35. You can make this change as per your expectation. Next option is line height. If you need to change the line height, you can do it from here. Next is letter case. You can make it capitalize, small letter or title case. Next option is image settings. If I click on this right arrow icon, first option is enable image. If you want to display the only title and this excerpt, you can disable the image, then it will display like this. Enable it. Next option is image ratio. By default, it's displaying 3:2 ratio. But if I click here, I can change it 1:1, 4:3. Which one you like, you can choose that one. Next option is image size. By default, it's medium large. But if you want, you can make it full or large or thumbnail. I'm making it full. Next option is category settings. If I click on this right arrow icon, first option is enable above title category. If I disable it, you see there has no category. And if I enable it, it's showing the category name also here. And next option is category style. By default, it's the normal. If you wish, you can make it fill, then it will be like this. I am going back to normal again. And next option is category divider. If you have multiple category in a single post, then you can divide the category with this pipe, hyphen, which one you like, you can use that one. So pipe is perfect. And if I come to the next and final option, it's the advanced. In advanced settings, first option is meta settings. Like meta means those data. If you want to disable, just disable it, those will be hide. But if you enable it, you have more options. First option is enable author. If you want to disable author from here, just deselect it from here, it will disappear. Next option is enable date. Right now date is displaying here. If you want, you can disable it. Next option is enable modified date. That means after publishing this blog post, for example, after a month, you updated this blog post. If you enable this option, enable modified date, then here it will display modified date, not the publishing date. And next option is enable modified date label. If you enable this option, it will say updated on the date. And you can customize these things also. What you want to display updated on or any other alternative text here, you can select it from here. And next option is enable categories. If you want to display category in the meta info, you can enable it from here. And same enable category label, and you can customize it from here. Enable comment, then it will say if there has any comment inside this post, it will display here. And next option is content settings. First option is enable excerpt. That means this text. If you disable this excerpt, then those text will not display here. I am enabling these things. Enable custom excerpt length. If I enable it, it's saying maximum number of words in excerpt. By default, 40 words will display here. If you wish, you can customize it to 100 words or 10 words. That's your wish. Next option is enable read more. There has read more button. If you enable it, it will display here. If you disable it, it will not display here. I am going to enable this one. Instead of read more, if you want to write anything extra like continue reading, it will display here. After watching this tutorial, easily you can add category wise or tag based relevant blog post inside your blog post, which one is very helpful for any blog. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. If you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.